All right, ready to shrink down and explore some of Australia's tiniest, wildest worlds? Trust me, you've never seen the land down under quite like this. First stop, the moss forests. A green patch on a damp log. Zoom in, a tangled jungle bursting with life. Each moss stem becomes a towering tree. Water droplets cling like crystal lanterns, springtails, water bears, tiny creatures roaming like dinosaurs in a primeval world. It's basically the Amazon, but you'd need a microscope to go hiking. Now the outback, home to the real architects. Termites, those little bugs that eat wood. Not here. Gigantic mud skyscrapers, some taller than a person. Air conditioning, nurseries, fungus farms, highways of workers zipping through tunnels. Makes our apartment buildings look kind of basic. From red dirt to blue sea, diving into the Great Barrier Reef. Underwater cities alive with neon colour and non-stop hustle. Coral polyps, tiny builders creating sprawling stone palaces. Fish darting through coral alleys. Cleaner shrimp tidying the reef. Sea turtles drifting like gentle giants. A 24/7 dance party. Everyone has a job. Back on land, peek at ant colonies beneath your feet. A miniature human society underground. Farmers, soldiers, nurses, the queen, food storage, nurseries, waste disposal, ants cooperating, communicating, building epic tunnels, all without Google Maps. So next time you're in nature, take a closer look. Australia's tiniest creatures run whole worlds right under our noses. Adventure doesn't always mean going far. Sometimes it means looking closer. Maybe the biggest stories are hiding in the smallest places.